Prague, known for its romantic ambiance, offers a perfect setting for candlelit dinners in intimate restaurants. Here are 7 enchanting options for a magical evening in the Czech capital. Terasa u Zlaté studně. Enjoy stunning city views from this Michelin-starred restaurant. Bellevue. Experience riverside romance with beautiful views of Charles Bridge and Prague Castle. La Dégustation Bohème Bourgeoise, a Michelin-starred restaurant offering unique Czech tasting menus. Mlinec Restaurant. Enjoy modern Czech cuisine next to Charles Bridge overlooking the Vltava River. Coda Restaurant. Indulge in fine dining and live music at this upscale establishment. Vzátiší, a hidden gem in Prague's Old Town, offering a fusion of Czech and Indian cuisine. Kampa Park. Dine on Kampa Island with breathtaking views of Charles Bridge and fresh seafood options. Each of these restaurants provides a special blend of ambiance, cuisine, and views that promise to make your evening truly unforgettable. Whether celebrating a special occasion or simply enjoying the romance of Prague, these candlelit dining spots are the perfect choice. Be sure to book in advance to secure your table at these popular venues and experience the magic of Prague's dining scene.